The Zentangle art is a way to create beautiful images by drawing repetitive patterns which are called as tangles. By using simple dots, curves and shape, tangles are created. Basic supply needed to create Zentangle art are just few sheets of paper, fine liner pens and pencil. Let's begin with few simple patterns. I am using a fine liner pen, details of which I will be writing in the description box below. Just relax and enjoy making the beautiful images. Don't worry about what will be the final outcome. You can create patterns as you wish. Just it has to be a repeated pattern and enjoy creating it. Now we will try to use this pattern in our tile. Put 4 dots in 4 corners of a paper. Let's join them with a line. The line can be straight or curvy as you want. Now divide this square in few parts as you like. The lines again can be straight or curvy as you wish. These lines are called as strings and they are going to separate our tiles in which we are going to draw different tangles. You can even turn your sheet if you feel it is comfortable for you to draw, because tangles has no direction. has turned into a beautiful pattern. I am just darkening a little bit the strings that is separating each tangle to give it some dimension. You can even use colors for your Zentangle art. We have some few more videos related to Zentangle art. I will share the link of all of them in the description below. Keep making various patterns and tangles and keep it as a reference to use it in your future drawings.